Okay, so what am I doing today? This came out, I think it's going to come out pretty cool. These are extra long chopsticks. Use them for cooking so you don't get oil on you. Here, let's see if I can get. Yeah, you don't want hot oil burning you, but I should probably put it on something white. Maybe so y'all can see the difference. So let's wobble over here. I've had those chopsticks, I don't know how long, years, but you can see if we put them up side by side, the difference in length. Just so you can put one or two things in some hot grease and pick them up. But I was trying to think of what I could, instead of them sitting in a cabinet, which they have been until I found them again. But I was trying to figure out what I could do to put them somewhere, and you don't stick chopsticks up and down in food. That's not a good thing. So I was wondering, how can I put something up that I can kind of display it or whatever? Well, came up with this idea. That is peach syrup for my iced tea. It's good too. I love that stuff. Anyway, the top is perfect for these 4 extra long chopsticks. And you can buy the extra long chopsticks on eBay and Amazon and every place else. But I was trying to figure out, what can I do? What can I do? Well, I got this idea. So we're going to walk over here. And you're probably going to say, Okay, so let's see. And here is part of my idea. Let's see if I can get this. Sort of kind of looks like bamboo. Right? I mean, a little bit like bamboo. And so I wrote my name on the bottle in Japanese. And then I looked on Amazon and I found these. These are actually ink pens inside of these I don't know if I can, there you go. Inside of the these leaves. And I think they were only a couple of dollars. And I thought, the good thing is they come with a few different colors here. I mean, you got like, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 12 of them. So it's real easy to pop the leaves off. And super easy. I was worried that these leaves would not fit. But they do. And let me get this last one. And I have a feeling that it's going to be a little bit long, but that's okay. Now what we're going to do, this is just an idea, you know, just for something to kick in there. And they are a little bit long. But you know, I can put them like that, or you'll see all my drink bottles. I don't drink. That's all different types of oils. I could put them down here. Anyway, it looks like a sprouting bamboo, or a little bit of sprouting bamboo. It was just an idea I had. Anyway, not too bad. That's just something I thought of to do. If you like this, and I put all the direction, because I used yellow ochre and light green and black acrylic paint. And I can actually, if I wanted to, I could put a glaze on it and make it look like it's porcelain or been fired or whatever. But I'll leave all the information down below this. And if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love my subscribers. Okay, so y'all take it easy. It'll give you something to do. And it didn't take me, well, I mean, no time at all. And so y'all stay safe, and if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming or snuggle up. And y'all stay safe. I love y'all. Have a great day.